Feature Collection Basics. Welcome to the first course of the first chapter of the Smart Data class, Feature Collection Basics. After this course, you will be able to set variables, display data, and successfully filter your dataset. First, necessary packages must be imported and the authorization for using GEE must be executed. By setting the map variable, we can later execute the command and display an interactive map within our notebook. Whenever we use the command later on, we update our map and apply all changes that we made in the meantime in our already executed code. Let's use some easily accessible dataset, in this case the US states, to explore functions and possibilities within Jupyter Notebook. By setting a variable and adding it to the map layer, the dataset will appear on the map. Now, filtering the dataset is the next step. The Tiger US census data has multiple columns and rows we can use for filtering. By using the name column, filtering for features, e.g. state names, is possible. Let's filter for taxes. In the previously opened map, you can see that due to the filtering or selection, now Texas is bolder than the other states. Let's do that again for California. Now, let's use a different approach. By setting up a region of interest, a selection of multiple features can be executed. A rectangle drawn into the interactive map using the polygon tool on the left-hand side allows to be the input for a later selection. After drawing, the variable for the region of interest, ROI, and the selected features needs to be defined so that it can be visualized. The same works for other regions and selections using the polygon tool. Multiple selections by giving a list of features is also possible. With the command map remove drawn features and map remove EE layer US states, all drawn features such as polygons and not selected features such as the state New York are removed from the map.